Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Please join me today as we leave Westport, visit Slieve League cliffs, have audio trouble with our DJI equipment and pick up a puncture. Rising 598 meters, which is almost 2,000 feet in old money, above the Atlantic Ocean, the Slieve League cliffs are among the highest sea cliffs in Europe, nearly 3 times the height of the Cliffs of Moher.
There's a waterfall over there, with the waters going up. Okay, so sit rep, we were riding on a bit of a twisty road. They had some sections of chip and seal, and then it had some really nice twisty sections, and the bike was feeling a little bit weird, a little bit skittish, a little bit drifty, and so when we stopped for a little bit of a rest here, I decided to have a look at the tyre. Got my tyre pump out, check the pressure. We're supposed to say 42 psi when cold, and bearing in mind that the tyre was not hot, it was reading 19 psi. We had a look, poured some water on it, can't see any bubbles, can't see any screws, can't see anything on it. Pumped it up again at the petrol station to 40-ish psi. Seems to be holding for now, so we will ride a little bit more and check it again. But yeah, these Michelin Road 6s now, second time that they've given me a bit of a scare. They are coming to the end of their mileage and life anyway. There's still plenty of tread, well over the minimum, so just a bit annoyed now that it's playing on my mind again. I hope it's just a slow leak or something, and that we can find some kind of a tyre shop where I can get it checked out. But yeah, those are the ins and outs of adventure. Sometimes shit happens, eh? Oh, the smell of petrol. This is the guys on the MGs for the rally for the 70th anniversary. We've been seeing them here and there and everywhere. Superb.
I am new to using DJI equipment, or relatively new. I've only started using it a couple of months before this trip. Not to say that the GoPro equipment was not without its faults. Multiple times had ruined audio on that, but switching to DJI didn't exactly resolve all the issues. And on this day and on subsequent days, I've had a number of instances where the wireless mic simply would not connect to the camera. And therefore I've had ruined audio. I also, halfway through this trip, for some unknown reason, switched from stereo to mono recording. A lot of the videos have lost my voice, but I'll do the best I can with what's left over to bring you some interesting and entertaining footage, and I'm doing a voiceover whenever required. So thank you for bearing with me. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please join me for the next one. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. For now, this is Noob out.